the ocean splits itself in two, and love will save you when the cold wind blows right through you, and love will save you when the poison eats the precious air, and love will save you from the snake that crawls around down there, but it won't save. Now love will save you from the evil and greed of ignorant men, and love will save you from the guilt you feel when you betray your only friend, and love will save you from yourself when you lose control, and love will save you from all the lies your lover told you, but it won't save. Save you from the truth when you think you're free, and love will save you from the cold light of boring reality, and love will save you from the corruption of your lazy minded soul, and love will save you from your selfish and distorted goals, but it won't save. Love will save you from the black night and the lightning and the ghost, and love will save you from your misery, then tie you to the bloody post, and love will save you from the hands that pull you down